Hey everyone, welcome back. If the ING app started having problems after an update, this is usually caused by compatibility issues. First, start by restarting your phone to refresh your system processes. Next, open your App Store and confirm that the app update is completed successfully. Then, go to your Settings app and then check if your phone's operating system is up to date, as older versions may not support the latest app updates. On Android devices, go to the app settings and clear the ING app cache. If the app keeps on crashing or freezing after the update, long press on the ING app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for the app, and reinstall it again. After reinstalling, open the app, log in again, and re-enable any biometric settings if needed, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.